Are you a lawful gun owner in New Jersey, or you're looking to become a lawful gun owner in New Jersey, and you have questions about how you can possess and lawfully carry a firearm in the state? Well, that's exactly why I'm making this video. So here are 5 things you absolutely need to know about lawfully carrying a firearm in New Jersey. Hi, I'm Daniel M. Rosenberg. I'm a criminal defense attorney and the founding partner of Rosenberg, Perry & Associates. And a question I get regularly since the recent change in the law is, how can I lawfully purchase a firearm and possess a firearm in New Jersey? And one of the reasons this is such a frequent topic is because in June of 2023, the United States Supreme Court eliminated the requirement of showing a special need in order to get a permit to carry. New Jersey made each individual requesting a permit to carry show a specific need for the firearm, meaning, hey, I need it for personal protection. I don't feel comfortable when I'm walking around. So as a practical matter, what did that mean? Unless you were a retired police officer or an armored car driver, no one got their permit to carry. Well, that all changed in June of 2023, and now that requirement is no longer there. So the first thing is, what do you need to lawfully carry a firearm? Well, the first thing you need is a firearms purchaser identification card. You also need a handgun purchaser's permit. Those 2 things allow you to lawfully possess a firearm in the state of New Jersey, but in order to carry it outside of your home, you need a carry permit. All right, so now that you know you need a carry permit before you can carry, how do you lawfully obtain a carry permit? Well, there's something called the C-CARE protocol, which refers to the Civilian Carry Assessment and Range Evaluation. You have to have a certified instructor take you to an approved firing range, and you have to shoot at least 50 rounds from various distances, specifically 15, 10, 7, 5, and 3 yards from the target, and you have to score 80% on that target. You also have to demonstrate that you can lawfully holster and unholster your firearm. You also need to demonstrate that you're proficient in loading and unloading the firearm. So now that you know what it takes to get a permit to carry, once you get one, what are the requirements of someone who is actually carrying a firearm? Couple things you need to know while you're carrying that firearm. It is illegal to consume alcohol, controlled dangerous substance, or cannabis while you're possessing that firearm. It is also illegal for you to be under the influence of any of those substances. It's also illegal for you to carry that firearm in a holster that is not lawful and approved by the state of New Jersey. You're also limited to possessing not more than 2 firearms at one time, and it is illegal to, quote, engage in an unjustified display of the handgun, unquote. So those are the requirements for a permit to carry. Let me tell you about some additional requirements, specifically if you're operating a motor vehicle. And these are significant because I get this question all the time. What happens if I'm carrying a firearm lawfully and I'm stopped by law enforcement? Well, right off the bat, it is a requirement that you notify the law enforcement officer that you have and possess a firearm in the car. Number 2, you have to have your permit to carry present with you. If you are stopped and you fail to disclose that you are carrying a firearm, that is a crime of the 4th degree, and a conviction of that crime is sufficient to revoke your right to own, possess, and carry a firearm. If you fail to have your permit to carry documents with you, that's a disorderly persons level offense, a $100 fine, and any subsequent offense is a 4th degree crime. So now that you know a little bit more about gun laws here in New Jersey, I'm going to tell you where you are prohibited from carrying a gun even if you have a permit to carry. Now, this isn't an exhaustive list, but this gives you an idea of what your limitations are when you're possessing a firearm. You are prohibited from possessing a firearm at any place that is owned, leased, or controlled by the government, including a police department, courthouses, correctional facilities, halfway houses. Also, polling places, 100 feet from a public gathering, school, college, university, a library or museum, a casino, hotel, airport, and that is not an exhaustive list, but that gives you an idea of what the limitations are here in New Jersey, and this list is changing all the time. So if you want to be compliant in the law, you really need to be up to date on what the gun laws are in New Jersey, because they are changing all the time. So if you or someone you know is a lawful gun owner or is looking to become a lawful gun owner, we're happy to help in any way we can to educate you on what your rights are and what the laws are here in New Jersey and how you can avoid any sort of infraction, which is knowing or unknowing. And if you like the contents of this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there's a topic you'd like to learn more about, please contact my office or leave a comment below. I'd be happy to hear about it. We are criminal trial attorneys. We have your back. That's what we do.